Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akila, also known as Kilahmazing, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I achieved this burgundy deep red voluminous curly fro. So the hair that I use is from Tinashe, and this is their Brazilian deep curly hair. I use 4 bundles in 3 different lengths, 16 inches, 18 inches, and 20 inches that I did end up cutting. So to color the hair, I'm first going to start off with this 40 volume developer, and then I'm going to mix that with my BW2 powder until I create a thick paste. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my bundles. And when I do this, I'm going to make sure that I'm not bringing it all the way up because I do want an ombre effect with darker roots. So I then added some foil to the hair so that it could process, and then I let that sit for about 45 minutes. And once it was done processing, I then washed the hair using this Iso Plus shampoo, which helps prevent damage after chemically treating hair. And this was a little bit of hair that shed during the process, which I was pleasantly surprised about, considering the fact that I fried, dyed, and laid this to the side, baby girl. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let the bundles air dry using these clip hangers, which is one of my new favorite hacks, by the way, to keep bundles in place and together. But this is what the hair looked like once it was dry. As you can see, it's like this caramel brown color, super pretty, but you know, we trying to spice things up a little bit. We trying to experiment, you know what I'm saying? So in order to do that, I'm just going to take this 20 volume developer along with these 2 Adore hair colors in the colors Cajun Spice as well as Copper. I'm just going to mix all that together, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the color to the hair. And then once again, I'm just going to let that process underneath some foil. I let that process for a good 45 minutes or so. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take this random Pantene conditioner and go ahead and rinse that color out. So once I was done and the hair was dry, I ended up making a wig with the bundles using the hot glue gun method. You guys can check out this video right here for more information about how I did that. But this is what the wig looked like. As you can see, the color is very vibrant. This wig is a vibrant thing. What? A vibrant thing. Okay, let me stop. But anyways, so I did end up adding these orange perm rods to create this afro look. So right now I'm just removing them, and I do have another detailed video about how I did this, but basically I just wet the hair, added some mousse, and then added the perm rods. Super easy, super simple, and I love the results. And speaking of results, this is the final look, y'all. I ended up separating the curls quite a bit and picking out the roots for a voluminous look, you know what I'm saying? To be honest with you guys, I was definitely going for more of a ginger look, but I really love the way that this turned out to be like more of a burgundy color. I never experiment with color, so this was a good change, you know? But anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. Check the description box for more information about this hair. Give this video a thumbs up if you like tutorials from me. Thank you guys. See y'all in the next one.